get a bit of a drink here because we're rapid firing this, and this is getting me parched.
We're gonna just keep along with the wireless mouse train right now.
All right. Oh, I like this shape here.
This is the mouse that I actually, when my Mamba went to poop, my battery went bad after a while. I got one of these guys in white. It's all right. Got a good shape.
I like the Kain shape.
In case you guys don't know what it is, it's Kain 200. Just a wireless version of the 120/100.
Yep. Well, I mean the 120 Panda or the 100 Panda is where it's at in my opinion.
So and this
has got an older shape or older packaging.
You know, yeah,
style.
That's not too bad. It's
Plastic's going in the landfills, man.
Is your dongle all goofy too? Yeah, these things you can just tell like it just wobbles. Mine actually went to unplug it from my computer. It pulled the whole. If
you guys are wondering, I'm just taking these cables, adding them to the old pile of mouse crap.
That too, because that's proprietary. That'll only work with that specific.
But guess what? If you just take a normal micro:bee and shave it down,
I mean,
she fits. That's what I got at home or upstairs.
Maybe.
No, it will.
Oh, well, there's little fins right there on the side, so it might not work on that.
No, it'll fit. You just gotta shave her down enough.
Well, here's the dongle. Don't lose that.
Oh wait, is there no place to put it?
No, of course not.
Well, toss this
in the garbage.
There you go. That's where it belongs now.
Also, be careful with your dongle. Mine actually.
And be aware, it is also not recommended to drop your mouse on the floor.
The metal thing just pulled right off, so I don't know. Roccat just I don't know.
Oh, but this shape's so good.
It's a good shape. Since they got purchased by Turtle Beach.
Oh God.
I don't
think. Did they get purchased by Turtle Beach?
Yes. Turtle Beach Inc.
I thought
100 Summit Lake Drive. We're gonna cover that up so people don't see the.
Didn't Turtle Beach get
serial number
bought by somebody though too? I thought somebody bought Turtle Beach.
No, I don't believe so. But that wheel is good. Amazing clicks.
Who owned Turtle Beach?
So I found this.
Who owns Turtle Beach?
We're just googling things.
Here's information from Wikipedia.
Gotta peel off these guys here.
Not very helpful.
Get rid of that. Great shape.
Traded as NASDAQ here gaming accessories.
A little heavy, but not too bad. Clicks are amazing. That's one of the best things. I mean, like.
Oh yeah, the scroll was pretty good. I think too.
Yes, this is one. I think they've always been really good at their scroll wheels.
The Roccat always been. Yeah.
That they have. I know they got the Titan Click that they call it, quote unquote. And from what I've seen, this is very similar to like, I think Logitech did it with their 305 as well, where the clicks themselves are actually mounted separately on their own PCBs.
Yeah.
And then the buttons themselves are like right above it. So you basically have almost no play or no post or pre-travel on the buttons. So it's real snappy.
DPI button's mush, but
it's not
whatever.
Too bad. Yeah. That one's actually not too bad compared to my white one that I have.
Yeah.
So, and I think your middle clip's better. So maybe the build quality is kind of.
Right after this, we should dig out the 102 I got.
Yeah, maybe the build quality is a little sketch on certain variants of it, but not a bad mouse. Great shape.
I'm happy that Roccat finally made a new shape.
Yeah.
Because their previous shapes were not. Is there anything in there that any good?
No, it's just a manual. Previous shapes weren't bad. Are you telling me that the KONE?
That's fine.
KONE Pure wasn't good.
It's fine.
KONE XTD.
But yeah, now they're owned by Turtle Beach. And they got Dr. D. They got Dr. Disrespect.
Yeah.
They got him rolling all their stuff now.
Yeah.
But here's a pro tip for Roccat. See this dongle. This dongle needs to go.
It goes into that thing that they gave you. They gave you this little thing.
I don't use those.
Okay, you park the dongle in the garage. All right.
Okay. Now what happens if I already have my own garage?
Well, I don't know, man. They gave you another garage.
Because I have a 7-port garage.
They gave you another garage. Don't worry about it.
I have a 7-port garage upstairs, or a 7-car garage. I have a 7. Remember, I even have a 4-car just for my wireless Logitechs.
Yeah, don't lose this thing. These things aren't built that well. I feel like their dongles are definitely quality's a little.
The one thing I will say though is that this mouse, okay, most other brands other than Logitech and Razer have had complete shit wirelessness.
Yeah.
Up until recently.
Yeah.
This is actually pretty good.
It's decent. some of the reviews I read for it said there is like, it's so minuscule. It's like 2-3 milliseconds of wireless delay compared to some of the other brands where it's like half a millisecond.
And then don't forget to peel off this blue stuff.
Yeah.
And check all mice for this because they're not all nice like Roccat here and putting it as blue. A lot of times it's clear, and you're like, why isn't it all slippy? It feels all...
The only other caution that I would say is there's a very specific way that you have to update the firmware on these mice.
Otherwise, your dongle
Yes.
and your
It'll
mouse
tell you basically
becomes separate, different.
Do wireless and then connect it. Do it exactly that way. Otherwise, your dongle will be on a different firmware than your mouse, and you have to wait for them to fix it via software. Otherwise, you get stuck like me for a month.
Woo-woo.
It's fixed though, so hey, nice job, Roccat.
But yeah, this dongle needs someplace to go.
Just keep it
Take the
someplace
back off. Put it in the front.
Battery is literally, if you've seen the teardowns for it, literally the battery is all right here underneath there.
They can figure something out.
The board actually stops. I think the PCB stops right about here, and then the whole back thing is just a giant battery.
Oh, and then for reference, this does run a worse sensor too.
It's
still perfectly fine as
330.
As I have said.
So
It's all the sensors in mice have been perfectly fine for
yeah,
I don't know, more than 5 years.
more or less flawless.
Yeah. All right. Well, on the next, I think now normally we'd head over there for something, but I think we're actually gonna grab the lower end version of that next instead of heading over to those red guys, which I believe are HyperX.
Mm-hmm.